Today, I'll show you exactly how to add due dates to stories in Jira's timeline view, a quick but super helpful tip that will help you stay organized and keep your projects on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add new stories and set clear timelines for them, ensuring everyone on your team knows what's due and when. Let's get right into it. First, picture your Jira timeline as a sort of interactive roadmap for your sprint or project. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all your epics. These are like the main highways your stories travel along. Take a moment to find the relevant epic, the one you want to add a new story under. Sometimes teams have a lot of epics running side by side, so use the search or scroll to make sure you're looking at the right one. Once you've found your epic in the left side work column, hover your mouse over it. This little action reveals options specific to that epic, almost like opening a toolbox attached to the side of a suitcase. One of the options is Add Child Item. Click on this. And just as a quick aside, in Jira, a child item simply means something nested under a parent. In this case, a story linked to an epic. This keeps your tasks organized hierarchically, so you can always trace the big tasks down to their details. After you click Add Child Item, you'll see a menu pop up asking you what kind of child item you'd like to add. Go ahead and select Story. Stories are basically the actionable to-dos your team will work from. They're smaller, manageable chunks under the larger umbrella of the epic. Now, you get to name your story. Be descriptive and clear here. Your future self and your teammates will thank you. For example, instead of Setup Login, try something like Implement User Authentication for Mobile Login. This level of detail reduces confusion and helps everyone quickly understand what the story entails. Once you've typed in a good, clear name, hit Enter to create the story. Here comes the part that brings everything together. Setting the timeline. Once your story appears, click on it. Over on the right-hand side, a detail panel will open up. This is where you can add important metadata about the story. Look for the fields labeled Start Date and Due Date. These might look like basic calendar pickers, but filling them in is crucial. It tells whoever's managing the project exactly when work should begin, and just as importantly, when it should finish. Click the Start Date field and choose when you want work to actually begin on this story. Then move to the Due Date field and set a realistic deadline. If you're not sure about exact dates yet, don't worry. You can always update these later as your sprint planning evolves. But getting these into place now is like putting up signposts, so no one loses track of timing or priorities. And that's really it. Fast and straightforward, but incredibly effective for keeping your project on rails. Just a short recap. You found your epic, added a story under it, named it clearly, and set the timeline so everyone knows what's expected. If you're new to Jira, don't stress if this feels a little fiddly at first. A couple of tries and it'll become second nature. Thanks for following along. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a like and let me know any questions or tips you have in the comments. I love hearing from you. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, remember to hit subscribe. See you next time.